It says solve the inequality. So what we will do is we will first move the 4 to the other side. It gives us 18, and then we divide it by 3, and that is your answer. A car decreases in value 10% each year. If it was bought for £5,000, how much will it be worth after 2 years? So 5,000 equals to 1 minus 10 over 100 to the power of 2. That's going to be 1 minus 0.01, which is 0.99. That's 4,900.5 pounds. Calculate the length of the missing side. So since it's a right angle triangle, we'll apply Pythagoras. We know this is our hypotenuse. This is going to be our adjacent. This is going to be the opposite. So I will do hypotenuse square equals to adjacent square plus the opposite square. So x square equals to 6 square plus 4 square. That's 36 plus 16, which is going to be 52. So x is going to be square root of 52 centimeters, which is basically 7.2. The table shows information about how long it takes students to get to work. Work out an estimate. So for the estimate, our formula is sigma fx over sigma f. Sigma f is going to be the sum of our frequencies. So that's going to be 2 plus 8 plus 12 plus 7 plus 1, which is 30. We find our midpoints. Since we have these intervals over here. So what we will do is between 0 to 10, the midpoint is 5. 10 to 20, the midpoint is 15. 25 for this, 35, and 45. So now what we do is these midpoints are going to be our x values. So for each x value, we multiply it with the frequency and then add the result to the other ones. So it's going to be 5 times 2 plus 8 times 15 plus 25 times 12 plus 7 times 35 plus 1 times 45. This entire thing is going to be divided by 30. That gives us a mean value of 24. David buys 2 DVDs and 2 CDs in a shop, and in total they cost 18 pounds. Ellie buys 3 DVDs and 2 CDs in the same shop, and they cost 22 pounds. Find the cost of each DVD and each CD. So let's assume that DVD is X and CD is Y. So 2x plus 2y equals to 18. This is for David. And then 3x plus 2y is equal to 22. That's for Ellie. So since we have a set of simultaneous equations, what we can do is we can just use the elimination method for this. Why elimination method? Because if we look at the variable y, it has the same coefficient, and we can just directly eliminate it instead of making an equation for the substitution method, which would be in terms of fractions, and that's going to be quite lengthy. So since we know that we're going to eliminate 2y, we need to check whether the coefficients are equal. So in this case, yes, the coefficients are equal. Next, we check what the signs are. If the signs are same, we subtract the equations. If the signs are opposite, we add them. In this case, since the signs are exactly same, what we do is we will subtract the equations, which means 2x plus 2y gets subtracted from 3x and 2y, which means 18 minus 22 for the right hand side. So that's going to give us negative x. As you can see, y gets eliminated, and 18 minus 22 is negative 4. So x is 4, which is our number of DVD, which is, sorry, the cost of the DVDs, £4 for a DVD. And for CD, I'm just going to put x equals to 4 in either of the equations. If I pick the first one, that's 2 times 2y equals to 18. 4 plus 2y, which is going to give us 2y equals to 14 and y equals to 7. So £7 for CDs.